Here are some car mods for beginners. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna talk about a few easy car mods that are meant for beginners and really easy to put on. Before going into the video, I did want to say thank you guys so much for the support. We're on the goal for 200 subscribers, and while recording this video I'm at 197. You guys are crazy, and the love you guys give me every single video is just astonishing. Words can't explain how happy I am, and let's keep pushing it and let's keep going. Anyways guys, so let's talk about some car mods for beginners and just overall good startup car mods. So anytime I make these type of videos, the main thing I always include is an exhaust. That definitely would have to be one of the car mods I would put for beginners, and let's explain how it works. So if you guys didn't know, an engine needs three things, which is gonna be a spark, gas, and air. Now one of the main components, like I just said, is air. So where does that air come from? That's gonna come from the intakes, and it's gonna lead from the exhaust. So there's two key points to getting an exhaust. One, the sound. Second is performance. Believe it or not, if you get a custom exhaust made perfectly just for your car, you could add lots of performance and not only sound. Exhausts overall are very highly recommended, and that was one of the first major mods I got on my car. It made my car sound better and gave me an extra like 20 horsepower and 10 torque, which gave a little like a feel. And I did want to mention that car parts aren't cheap, so be smart with your money and don't spend it all on your car, because you cannot forget, the more money you put in your car, the more unreliable it would get as well, so the higher chance it has to breaking down. Just take that into consideration before buying any of these parts I'm gonna still mention. Now something I'm gonna move on to that lots of people actually don't mention is really aesthetic mods. Now I'm not going around and saying look like a ricer, but I'm saying make your car look good, make it look like it's yours. Car mods are there not only to bring up the performance, but to bring up the look and make you happy. At least for me, whenever I get car parts, it's not always performance. If anything, I have a lot more aesthetic on my car than performance, but I'm not racing because I am tuned and I am pretty fast for a Subaru. But always take that into consideration guys on how the look appeals to you guys, because look is a huge hit or miss for lots of people. Some of these aesthetic car mods can also be looked as front lips, diffusers, back lips, and all that stuff. As long as you don't make your car look like it's a ricer's car and make it look clean, you're a-okay. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? So another car mod I would like to mention, which is pretty easy to put on, is gonna be a mesh grill. Now if you guys really don't know what a mesh grill is, I'll put a picture up right up here. Pretty much this mesh grill not only increases the volume of air that goes inside of your engine, but it also looks really sick. I would definitely recommend people to get it, and I really need one on my car as soon as possible. If you guys haven't seen my car, I'll put a picture of it up right here, and this is how my car looks with the mesh grill. Now let's move on to a very easy install and cheap install, but something that is extremely important and very much overlooked. And that would be a catch can. If you guys didn't know what a catch can was, which I really didn't know myself before doing more research inside my car, it's pretty much something that catches oil before it goes through an intake manifold and causes a big mess. Lots of cars have this problem, which is pretty normal, but it's also very important to ensure keep reliability from that problem. It's a very easy install and looks pretty cool inside of the engine bay, so I would recommend who has a few extra $100, or if they want to get a cheap universal one for a few like $50, $60, should definitely get one. And I would really recommend everyone to get one and just install it on their car just for reliability purposes, and it just overall looks sick. Now finally, moving on to the last thing I would like to bring up as an amazing car mod for beginners is definitely gonna be an e-tune. Now the reason why I'm bringing this up is because it changes the complete driving experience of a car. I have brought it up so much in my videos, and I can't express how important of a part it is. All you need to do is do a little wiring, and that's it. Your car drives better and much quicker. Overall, I did some e-tune and some part upgrades on my car, and oh my gosh, I cannot be happier. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys have any video ideas, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to do anything you guys suggest. But that's about it for today. I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting from you guys. Let's hit that 200 subscriber mark and let's keep pushing, bro. We're gonna get 1,000 subscribers sooner or later. I love every single one of you guys, and I love the community we're building here. Let's keep pushing it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.